can't tell me this don't look good. Fact. Follow your boy for more recipes, man. You dig. Alright, it's your boy here, Brace Boogie. Today, cooking with Brace, we finna make salmon croquettes. So, I know people usually use the canned salmon, but I don't, bruh. I'm sorry. So, I give me a regular salmon fillet, and this the little trick, I don't know if y'all know this. I give me a cup of water, put in the microwave for 5 minutes, pour it on that joint, and the skin gonna be easy to peel off. So, I'll show y'all. You see that? Y'all see that? It's easy to peel off now, since, you know, I put the hot water on there. Yes, my hands is clean. I only got on one glove because I still got to do stuff with my other hand. Alright, now this ain't come off as clean as it usually do. Oh, okay, maybe it's just that one little part. But yeah. Just like that, it's clean. You feel me? You feel me? Well, I just gotta, you know, wash it off and shit like that. But yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna start seasoning it from the back so the front don't get messed up or whatever. So I'm gonna start over with that little onion powder. Then I'm gonna go with the garlic salt. You feel me? A little paprika. A little lemon pepper. Some slap your mama. And a little bit of this blackened. I'm gonna flip over and do the same thing. Feel me? A little of that onion powder. Garlic salt. A little of this lemon pepper. Slap your mama. Blacken. And we good to go, shawty. I bet y'all can't guess how I'm finna cook it. Y'all finna see. Bet y'all ain't guess this. That salmon going in that young air fryer. Then once the air fryer done cooking, I'ma cook it just like how you do the canned salmon. You did. Be right back. Man, look at that salmon. That shit looking too good. In the air fryer though. I could really eat it like that, but your boy got a taste for some salmon croquettes, you feel me? So, that's what I'm on. This is how it look. I think I let it cook for about 14 minutes or so on 400. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I do next. Alright, so I put my salmon in this bowl, then I'm just gonna break it up like that. Real easy. You feel me? Y'all see that? So, it's just for me, so I just need one salmon fillet. And while that was cooking, I went ahead and started chopping my vegetables. I just go put some onion and some green peppers in there. So, get you an egg, go ahead and crack it. You feel me? Might just need one of them, I don't know. Let me see how. Oh yeah, that should be good because it's not a lot. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my breadcrumbs. I like to put a little bit of regular. You see, I don't know the measurements. I just do it to, you know, feel like it's enough. Then I add some more, these Italian style. You just put that in there to hold it together. After that, throw some onions in there, some green peppers. See how that's looking. Mix it in real good. So if it's still like kind of soft, me personally, I like to add a little more breadcrumbs. but y'all don't want too much. Then I forgot one more ingredient. A little bit of minced garlic. Can't never go wrong with a little minced garlic, you get. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of garlic salt. Just a little bit. You feel me? And also while you're doing this, make sure you're getting your grease hot. Cause that's the last step. And another thing, I like to make it like this cause look, the salmon already cooked. So that means as soon as these boys turn brown, that means you can start eating them joints. You ain't gotta wait. Cause the salmon already cooked. So you just really frying them for the color, for real, for real. And then that little egg I put in there. And this how your shit should look, honestly. I usually let mine sit for about 30 minutes. And then just let it marinate that good, you know. Then I'm gonna show y'all when I fry them. I form my shit into balls like this. You feel me? That's how I like to cook mine. Get that grease nice and hot. Then scoop them boys in there. Oh, trying to catch it. That's how you get it going. You feel me? Real salmon croquettes. I don't even use that canned salmon shit, man. I use real salmon fillets. Y'all see how my shit cooking real good, folks? And the thing is, like I said, since I use real salmon, you don't even gotta cook these long, bruh. As soon as they turn brown, they good to go. Cause remember, we already cooked the salmon in the air fryer. So don't even worry. Just get them joints brown and go to town. Bro. So I'm gonna start flipping them joints. See, my grease a little hot, but it's still gonna come out, you know. Still gonna be, you know. So yeah, the grease a little hot. Oh shit. You see they giving me problems flipping them, but it's cool. This ain't the first kitchen I've been in. Oh shit. I think now the grease ain't hot enough. Shit. It's all good though. There's one thing about a chef, even when you fucking up, you go get right. So we just gonna let that cook for 1 minute. See what's going on into it. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes with me, yeah. One thing about grease, if you overflow it too much, you know what I'm saying, it start cooling down. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. You see them boys frying nice and good. Look at, ooh, y'all see that, shorty? Do y'all see it? It looks good, baby, yeah. But yeah, though, I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so I'm gonna finish letting them cooking, but here we go. Salmon croquettes, man. Cooking with Brace, man. Y'all know the vibes. Look at that. Look at that salmon croquette, bro. You can't tell me this don't look good. Fat. Follow your boy for more recipes, man. You dig. Out of here.